Have you been annoyed by the Soundgoodizer x64 library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze image line dependency and restore that missing file. To start the walkthrough for Soundgoodizer x64 library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Soundgoodizer x64 library, the 64-bit implementation of the Soundgoodizer audio processing engine. It manages localized multiband compression, limiting, and saturation routines derived from the Maximus engine core. It processes real-time digital audio signals using high-precision 64-bit floating-point math to prevent signal clipping within the FL Studio mixer. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Soundgoodizer x64 is part of the graphics or audio runtime used by many games. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores missing DirectX components, while a GPU driver update handles OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA-related files. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Soundgoodizer x64 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Replacing Soundgoodizer x64 library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. For users who prefer structured maintenance, the link below references a tool related to managing Soundgoodizer x64 library dependencies. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Soundgoodizer x64 library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.